Hello world. Here is a dilemma I've been dealing with is I've been amassing cars and I've been keeping them in the displays, or not the displays, but the packaging. There are different variations. These two Gallardos, they're one's more of a matte, like the one on the bottom, and then the one on top is more gloss. But that is just one thing I'm dealing with, not that. Just I have a whole bunch of cars that I've either bought one or five of, and like these, I just have one of each. The Motor Max, um, Exotic Rides. There's a Diablo, a Mercy Roadster, and a Gallardo Superleggera. This is kind of cool. I have actually two of these. It's a paint variation. The interior is blacked out by the dark black, what do you call it, windscreen or plastic for the windows. I like this casting, but when they made it, they made the bottom rear axle too far in, so it looks like it shouldn't be like that. So it's a great candidate for a custom. I wish the spoiler was monochromatic, which would be still, red. But I believe it's plastic, and that's why it is the way it is for some reason. I opened one of these before, and I realized, see how this says Series 15 XV? This one is Series 14. So the one on top, to me, has a little bit darker paint. I'll see if I could find here it is. So this is from another series, but you could tell it's a variation and probably a different series altogether because it has clear windows opposed to the dark windows. Or I don't know if it's black or smoked, but the dilemma I'm dealing with is, should I open these up and add them to my wall display of Lamborghinis? A lot of these Lamborghini display cases are full, and I have about 20 spots over here that are duplicates. Yes, that is a Vector, so that's not even a Lamborghini, but I have about 5 cars. This one, this one, this one, and these two majorettes, which I opened recently or bought loose, that need to go up there, as well as trying to shoehorn these in. If you're aware of this Speed Machines Reventon Roadster, there's a wheel variation. One has chrome wheels like this one, and this one, which unfortunately, there you go. Does not. But I said unfortunately because this lever, or for the display case, kind of shielded it. So I think I'm going to open these. Got some new majorette Huracans. One's a chrome edition, and one is a color changer. So that's pretty neat. Got an old car, Countach. It's a Welly sticker on the front. And I'm looking in my display cases for the sister versions of it. I don't see it right offhand. Oh, there's this one, which is a sticker as well on the front. This one has a black sticker. Sorry, I don't like rehearse these videos. I just make them on the fly. I am going to open a treasure hunt super the Aventador J because I have loose the Sesto Elemento and this one, the Mira Homage Aventador. I have the Countach. They made a few different wheel variations of that one, but I just have the one, so I'm keeping it in the on the card, on the blister. These are some other ones that I've trying to figure out what to do with. Put up on the wall or one of the other display cases. Hot Wheels, back in the day, and when I say back in the day, 20 years ago, they made this. I've had it in the box ever since, but I really don't care for the car hauler or the bus. I love the Countach. The Countach, around the late 90s, early 2000s, Hot Wheels made a few variations of the Countach, all 25th anniversaries, but they had them in the car haulers, power launcher, super rigs. These two, I believe the Cool Toys were Target exclusives. But I have a whole bunch of Countaches. Well, that's what I love mainly. If you look at my channel, like this one was a rig exclusive. There's a all black one that was as well. This one, they made like probably 5 or 6 variations of Countach, this one included. But see how this one just has the plastic gray windows, opaque, no interior. I'm guessing there is an interior, but for whatever reason they just thought it'd be fun to make it like this, which is fine because I love to look for variations. Matchbox back in the day used to do their variation of treasure hunt. So this is, it says Matchbox 2000, so 20 years ago you could look for this one. It was kind of like a chase piece, and that's like the more basic or non-chase. Anyhow, I'm thinking of opening up the packaging like a 9-pack. Don't care about the other cars. Love the Gallardo. And yeah, I like these. Yeah. So my dilemma is, how do I fit this plus 5 into the bottom right of this display case? Do I take some from this display case? This display case? Probably not this one, because this is just Countach. This is mostly Countach, except for the far left. This display case has a lot of Tomica and Kyosho, Sikyu. I said it once before and I'll say it again. I wish Kyosho would make more Lamborghini sets, because they are, in my opinion, the best castings. I'm glad to see Hot Wheels is making more Countach, and how Matchbox and Hot Wheels making more Lamborghinis. So yeah, that's my dilemma. It's gonna be fun to open these. I'm not gonna make a video. This video went way longer than I thought it should, but yeah. It's fun to collect, but sometimes you collect and collect and collect, and you want to make sure that you enjoy what you collect, so that's why I try to display them. I'll show you the rest of my room, but it's in shambles right now. Oh yeah, here's another one that I need to open. I saw these at the dollar store a long time ago. I did not get this one at a dollar store. They actually wanted a buttload for it, $30. I'm like, yeah, not happening. I got it for like, I want to say $3, maybe 4. But this was a yellow, and this is a yellow, and I have it, there it is, in orange in the display case. So there you go, fun stuff. But yeah, $30 for this little car. No. But yeah, I need to add these. This is pretty cool. It's a nice pink one. I wish this one was in better shape with the spoiler because it's yellow. But it has the one Tampo that I have a few different cars with. I'm looking, not doing well looking, but if you've seen my other videos, you would have seen them. But yeah, there you go. Happy collecting. 13 minutes. Yikes. Bye.